This is a mini, a nice 3D printed mini. And here I have some blocks. Let's try to make a simple but interesting looking fountain. Mind you, for this video you need some foam, a circular cutting board 2.0, maybe a ruler, a sharp and a blunt pencil, hot glue gun, although I prefer wood glue, but hot glue gun, and a miniature. That's it. Okay, let's make a little fountain. Let's keep it simple, let's keep it basic, not too dull. There has to be something that makes it interesting. But if I say let's keep it simple, why not make a perfect round little fountain? I think you do not need to look for very difficult shapes. Adding a few little details makes even a very basic round shape interesting. So yeah, got some sheets. Start to cut starting with the base. So let's try that first. 13. Yeah, okay. So it's 5-inch diameter, I think. Okay, that's a nice base for the fountain. Okay. That's a base. Now for the base upon which the fountain stands, the fountain itself. Let me see. A little bit smaller. Yeah, a little bit smaller. There we go. So the base is 5-inch and the fountain itself is 4-inch and a bit. Let's see. Too big. No worries. Which is great. So I made a circle. Didn't quite get it. Eeny, weeny, teeny, weeny, tiny. Forward. Yeah. Got it. Repaired. So no worries. We're good. Okay. Well, almost finished. How great is that? Okay. Let's slice them up. Start with the base. Let's see. I am not sure. Okay, it's a bit too thick. It's like a step up. So the base is approximately one stairway step high. Well, I keep it like it is. It's maybe, should be 1/5 of an inch, but it's a little bit more, I think. But it's nice, it's fine. Nice. Okay, that's one. Now here I have the fountain itself. First the top edge of the fountain, that's this slice. Also a little bit too thick. I'm not sure what it is today. Everything is too thick. And then let me think. Yeah. So that's 3/5 of an inch. Base, base, fountain, fountain. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Back to the circular cutting board. So let's start with this one. Now this is the top of the fountain. It has a, okay, is this size, and now I want to go a little bit deeper, doing it, okay, just eyeballing it. I'm now cutting away a very thin edge of this circle to get depth within the project. So here we have a somewhat smaller circle, but as you can see, if I put this one on, if I put, so you see now it's sticking out a bit, and that's exactly what I want. Okay. Let me see. Now obviously this is solid and we have to cut out the inner area. So very low temperature, switch it off. Let's go with this one. Okay, so just again I went 2/5 of an inch inwards. Oh, that's nice. That's perfect. Okay. And we do the same with the other thicker block. There we go. Well, it's snowing. It's finally winter here in the Netherlands. It's looks very nice. The sun is shining, more or less, and the snow is falling. So, yeah. Okay, back to the project. So we have the ring and the ring, and now we have. Oh, that looks great. Yeah. So far, so good. The bigger ring now, the bigger the base. Now the base was. Let me see. Okay. Roughly 4-5 inch, I think. Okay. Okay. I want to make a step, a 2-layer base. So this this disc I will make it a little bit smaller. Now I push it in. Perfect. So a little bit over to 1/5 of an inch, I think. And there we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's nice. That one in the middle. Okay, so this is as basic as you can get it. So now let's try and add a little bit, just a few small things to make it a little bit more interesting. Okay, first of all, the statue has to be on a pedestal. Obviously it has to be a round one as well. This is my rest piece. Yeah, let's do this. Let's see how far I can go with it. I'm not measuring, I'm just eyeballing this just to see how it looks cutting a specific, or cutting a shape in a specific diameter. I can think it over, I can measure it out, but well, it's way too large for sure. No problemo. Do it again. Okay, there we go. I think this is the right size. Yep, that's okay. So now I want to slice off the top like this. Okay. And make this circle a little bit smaller again. And now, okay, that looks nice with the statue on it. Okie dokie. So let me see. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I can actually make it stand up higher, that it sticks out, but I want to, this pedestal has to fall back into the fountain, which I think is nice. Okay, that was everything when it comes to the circular work. Let's add some buttresses. I think that's nice to add. Okay. Okay. Okay, 2 centimeters, 4/5 of an inch. Yeah, that's okay. 4 centimeters. 1/3 of an inch. Not nice, not nicely cut. So doesn't look that nice. Okay, well, we leave it for now. So now, out of this block, I will try and cut 4 buttress walls: north, east, south, west. North, east, south, west. Yeah. Thinking. Okay, there it is. So this is the buttress I'm aiming for. Slice off a little more, make it a little thinner. Okay, now I have two angles to work with. As you can see, I have two angles to work with. So okay, lock my hand so the block can only move forwards and backwards. No twisting of the wrist. Keep it all stable. First one, second one. There we go again. That's nice. Okay, let's cut some buttresses. A little bit over 2/5 of an inch, I think. You see how thick that is. Yeah, well, yeah, it's okay. One. Actually, I said 4. I can make 6. I can make 8 of them. But again, let's keep it simple. 4. That's enough. One, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. I have a few options here. These will be merged into the wall. So let's start with. Let's try one. Now I can cut the ring in 4 pieces, put one in, glue them on, put one in, glue them on, put one in, glue them on. That's the most simple way to do it. So now I'm thinking, why not? Why shouldn't I do it? Because I can also cut a section out like this. And that's a lot more work. So, thinking out loud, let's cut it all up. Before I do so, let's make some marks, because if I cut it in 4 sections, pull them out, glue them together, then the circle will be that much larger in height and in width, right? So I don't want it. It has to be that same size, meaning that I now have to cut away this section, and it has to be perfectly on the other side as well. So, ooh. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, little trick. Piece of paper, double, something written on it, but that's not a problem. So now I have, yeah. Now I know more or less where the lines will be, and to make it even better, put that one in, mark the center, find the center, And now I really have the right lines, and I can start making these help me out here.
Markings.
Markings. Thank you so much. A creative process is, I'm doing a lot of thinking, and multitasking is not one of my greatest assets. So sorry for that. Okay, almost there. Okay, there we have it. Same goes for the ring. However, I can do it all at once. Now I can do it with my hot wire cutter, but if I am confident and make perfect vertical cuts with a hobby knife, it should be fine. So let's try that. That wasn't prepared, so now I have to find a hobby knife. Okay. Give me a second. Found one. Oh yeah. There we go. Sorry, my hand is in the way, but there you have the cut. Okay, so since I'm cutting now, and the ring is, these two pieces are together as they are, I could, just to be sure, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I cut it up, now I can find the pieces that belong together. Simple but effective. Okay. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Normally I would use wood glue, but to speed up the process, let's use the hot glue. This is strange. Okay. Okay, so this is 3, this is 1, this was 2, and this is 4. Okay. Oh, okay. Doesn't matter. Okay. Goed. Oké. Oké. Okay, I had to make a few adjustments, but we're getting there. Oops. Nice. And looking at it, yeah, so that's it. We'll glue it and then can start texturing it. But just to show you, well, it's all very delicate now. Put in this one in the middle, that one on top. Yeah, looks nice. Actually, this is a nice thing. I just see, imagine building it up like this. Yep. And then adding this one, but now you make a straight part here with another buttress, and now I have a very nice different, more longer shape, maybe with 2 statues. So idea just came to me. Anyway, let's glue this thing together. Okay. Have to make a little adjustment. For some reason it didn't fit that well, but now it does. Okay. Working with hot glue is fine, but normally, again, I would not use it on these types of projects. But, okay. So now I still need to get these two. Yep. Okay, the base, and we have the little elevation that goes in the middle, and I think now we have the rough structure done. And here we have the basic fountain, a very basic shape. I spiced it up a little bit with a few buttresses, but as you can see, it's a very quick build. The only thing I need to do now is to texture it with a sharp and a blunt pencil. Now, if you look at a lot of the build along session videos or the silent build videos, you've already seen me doing a lot of that stuff. So I suggest we do this. And there you have it. It's, as you can see, it's textured. Drew some stones in it, and actually what I also did, now mind you, the everything is still loose, but here we have the little enlargement, or the base where the miniature stands on, and as you can see, the miniature sticks out quite a lot. Now imagine you want to bring this along to your gaming group. Why not do a little magnet? You can glue this one on. Didn't do it because I still want to paint it, but in the end you have the miniature on a stand with a little magnet. Anyway, this is the build. I hope you like it. Have fun, and see you in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. No. Yeah. Okay. Right.